This video will show you how to run a custom invoice report through your reseller control panel for the Cloud Marketplace. So the first thing you want to do is log into either us or ca.cloud.im. And then once you're logged into the Marketplace, you'll have an option at the top of your screen for Control Panel. You'll click on Control Panel. That's going to open your reseller control panel. And from here, you'll want to navigate to the top right in the blue banner to the option here that says My Subscription. Once you click on that, it's going to open up a new tab in your browser. And from here, you'll see a series of gray tabs across the top of the screen. To run the custom reporting, you'll want to click on the tab that says Custom Reports. There are a few things to note here. If you are on net 30 terms or net 60, 45, 90 with Ingram Micro, you will have one invoice a month. So if you're looking to generate an Excel version of that invoice, you'll want to come here and run a custom report based on the dates of that invoice. If you are on credit card billing with Ingram Micro, you have a daily invoice that populates on your Marketplace account. You can run a date range to coincide with those invoices to receive them in one Excel file rather than, again, a static PDF format or multiple PDFs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Add New Report. Cost of Goods Report for fixed dates. And if I'm on net 30 terms, so a consolidated invoice once monthly, and I want the same data that's on my invoice, what I want to do is I want to run the dates based on the date of the month you're invoiced. So if my invoicing is the 11th of the month, I want to run my invoice report from the 11th of the previous month to the 10th of the current month. So if your invoice date is, for example, the 28th of the month, you want to run the invoice report from the 28th of the previous month, so the 28th of June until the 27th of July, if your invoice date, again, is the 28th of July. If you're on daily invoicing, meaning you are not on net 30 terms with Ingram Micro and you pay with credit card, you can put whatever dates in you want here, and it will pull the data from those specific dates for you to be able to reconcile and invoice your end customers. You'll see here that there's available columns. You can choose between the different columns. Some of them you may want, some of them you may want to omit. I'm going to choose them all in this case. Move them all over to selected columns. I'm going to hit send a notification when my report finishes. So this will email me when my report is finished building. Add that email address and create. So you'll see here that we have a pretty extensive list of test custom reports. I'm going to go ahead and locate my custom report test 1. It's in the process of generating, as you can see here. Once it's generated, I will get a notification via email that the report is finished, and then I will also have an option here to hit the download button. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh this. Where's this to get today? And my report is already generated. I can hit the download option, and it will come to me in the form of a zip here, and I would get all of my data that was either on my consolidated invoice or the information that I need to be able to reconcile my billing for my end users.